Hey guys, today is Christmas jumper day and I just wanted to show you my outfit for today. Let me just beep. Now we have skirt with shorts underneath. Look, I just had to show you my outfit. And top and jumper. And this is my hair. It kind of looks like I have highlights of how, like, some parts of my hair is a lot. I think my top's a bit frizzy right now. I've just brushed it and my it's naturally wavy. So, yeah. Subscribe and I'll let you know how the Christmas dinner is right when I get back from school. Bye! See you in the next